All right. Howdy, everyone. My name is Jaden Wilson from Bio 112, Section 513 at Texas A&M University. And today we'll be briefly going over one of the most advanced invertebrates out there in the protostomes, and that is the squid. So a brief little introduction here. The squid is classified in phylum Mollusca and class Cephalopoda, so it's a cephalopod. This is Latin for head and foot, with cephala meaning head and poda meaning foot. It shares this classification with the octopus and the chambered nautilus, very similar organisms just by looking at them. And like I said, it's one of the most advanced invertebrates with a closed circulatory system with 3 hearts and well-developed eyes, and they are dioecious. So some quick anatomy. This is a horrible drawing, but I did my best here. This is a drawing of a squid, and we have some of the basic structures that we were expected to know from lab. So we have our tentacles, our arms here for the squid, the suckers that they use to catch prey. This is their little beak or their mouth. This is a unique trait that they have, and it's a pen. Here we got the eye, the siphon, the mantle, the gills, the fin, and the ink sac, all the important stuff that we were expected to know from lab. And then for a more clear image, here is a better picture showing all those things that I just discussed here. So the eye, the siphon right here, the ink sac, the mouth, the arms, the tentacle, all that great stuff. So let's talk about habitat, food, and prey. So like many other sea animals, squids live in the ocean, or basically any big open area of water. They're also a well-known predator. They hunt for other invertebrates, including larva fish, polychaetes, shrimp, and they even eat their own kind. They be eating other kind of squid species. I think that's really cool. As for prey, squids are widely known for being a perfect food source for sperm whales, especially sperm whales. Those are the biggest ones, salmon, and other kinds of tuna fish and tuna species, and so on and so forth. So some uniquely evolved traits that the squid have, like I said earlier from the anatomy diagram, they have this pen here that they use, and it's only found in the squid. Some of these squids are even bioluminescent, which is not necessarily unique, but I think it's cool to add here because they're able to use this trait to be able to change colors for camouflage and communication with other squids and stuff like that. So if we're wanting to know other traits that squids have, we have this phylogenetic tree that we were expected to write out for this lab. And so as you can see here on this branch, we have the phylum Mollusca with the squid and how it relates to these other organisms on this branch. And that's how you know the different traits about the squid and what it could share with some of these other organisms. And then here's another tree here that shows you the more basic groups of basically the big groups that the squids are in. And there's that. Let's talk about the ecological and humane importance, because these squids aren't just here for no reason. So like I said earlier, with the habitat and the food, they are a vital food source for many other oceanic organisms. Without the squid, half of these sea animals wouldn't have anything to eat. And then in regards to humans, squids can provide, like if you're eating squid, I think it's really good. They provide a significant source of good minerals for you, like potassium, vitamin B, and stuff like that. And then of course, for commercial fisheries that us humans utilize very much, it's very important to have these squids being involved in that. And then that is it. Here's my reference. Thanks for watching.